Welcome back to Bazai. Today, let's dive into how Apache Kafka powers modern data streaming behind the scenes, with help from this great visual flow. So let's start from the top. In a typical Kafka setup, you have producers. These are applications or services generating data. Think of user activity, logs, sensor readings, or anything needing fast, reliable delivery. Before sending this data, the producer serializes it, converting it into a consistent byte format ready for transport. Next up is the partitioner. This logic decides to which partition each piece of data should go, spreading traffic across the Kafka cluster for scalability and fault tolerance. Speaking of clusters, at the heart of Kafka is the Kafka cluster, made up of multiple brokers. Each broker manages several partitions such as P0, P1, and P2. When a message comes in, it's published to one specific partition on a broker. But wait, for reliability, Kafka replicates this data across multiple brokers. That way, if a broker goes down, the messages aren't lost. This replication is a core feature that keeps your data safe and available. Inside each partition, data is stored as an ordered, immutable sequence of records. Each record has a precise place in the sequence, so even with parallel production, there's a reliable order for consumers to follow. Next, we get to the consumer group. Unlike a simple queue, Kafka's consumer groups enable parallel processing. Each consumer in the group subscribes to partitions and reads new messages as they arrive. With 3 consumers and 3 partitions, each consumer can handle one partition, balancing the load and allowing for fast, distributed processing. What's especially powerful is that Kafka decouples producers and consumers. Producers don't need to know who will read the data, just where to publish it. Consumers can come and go, reading at their own pace, and Kafka keeps track of which messages have been consumed by which group. Altogether, this architecture makes Kafka ideal for high-throughput, real-time applications, from analytics and monitoring to powering microservices and event-driven architectures. The combination of producers, partitioners, brokers with replication, and scalable consumer groups is what enables organizations to reliably stream and process massive amounts of data with high availability and strong guarantees. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe for more engineering deep dives, and leave your questions about Kafka or distributed systems in the comments. See you in the next Bazai episode.